All right, at least one person has been killed and several injured in the Pani Sagar of North Tripura when people opened fire, we're told, when police opened fire, we're told, on agitators after they turned violent and blocked the National Highway 08 as a part of the indefinite bandh since 16th of November. The protesters are against centre's decision to rehabilitate thousands of tribal Bru refugees who had fled to adjoining Mizoram 23 years ago following ethnic strife of the state. Ratnadeep brings us more.
आज ब्लॉकेड ऑफ नेशनल हाईवे 8 इसको ब्लॉकेड करने के लिए जॉइंट मूवमेंट कमेटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया था। पुलिस को भी सफिशिएंटली डिप्लॉय कर दिया गया था हमारा सब डिविजन में और हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। अग्निपाशा में कुछ मिसक्रिएंट्स ने एसडीपीओ और उनके पीजी को अटैक किया था एंड इन डिफेंस पुलिस ने फायर करके एक आदमी मर चुका है। हम लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के तरफ से जो लॉस ऑफ लाइफ हुआ है, जो इंजरी हुआ है सिविलियंस और ऑफिशियल्स को, हम लोग इसके बारे में वी आर डीपली कंसर्न और हमारा ग्रीफ भी एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं।
What we are hearing from police sources is that the situation is under control, but it is tensed because there are still people who are blocking the National Highway 8 which links North Tripura to Assam. Remember what has happened this morning is that the protesters in hundreds who are members of what is called as the Joint Movement Committee of the local people of Kanchanpur subdivision of North Tripura, where the tribals and the non-tribals of that area are opposed to the idea that the Bru refugees who were housed in relief camps for 23 years, who had fled Mizoram, and after their agreement was done earlier this year, they were supposed to be settled in Tripura, and then there was speculations as well that they would be settled in that subdivision. So the local people were not happy with this, and this entire issue of resettlement of Bru refugee has actually now got stuck in limbo. In fact, this was seen as a major success of the Modi government in terms of solving one of the vexed issues in Northeast India, a pet project of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. But the local resistance is brewing up. In fact, since last Monday, there have been indefinite strike in that area by these members of the Joint Movement Committee, the locals. There have been skirmishes in that area allegedly between the Bru refugee and the local people. And this morning, despite Section 144 being imposed in the area, these protesters came on the national highway, and what police claimed that they turned violent. They had to fire. One person is dead. That's what we can confirm. Several others are injured, which also include police personnel, because what police is saying is that there have been a massive stone pelting at them as well. But the national highway remains blocked. In fact, massive security reinforcement have been sent to the area. This has been confirmed to us by senior police officials. In fact, a review is being done by the state government. Remember, this is going to be a major test for the Biplab Dev government in Tripura. Mr. Dev, who is the chief minister, is also the home minister of the state. And it seems that the larger issue of the settlement of the Bru refugees now is stuck in limbo once again.